Here you can chat in Tranwise with project managers. You see who is doing what. You can call with Skype or you can send a message. In this sheet you can check all the projects that you have completed this month or for a certain month. This is a tender sheet for the open tenders that you can reply to. By clicking on the name of the tender, you can see all the instructions and all the forms that you have to fill in and for which language combinations this tender is open. For tenders, we sometimes need to have a very comprehensive information from you. That means your experience, the references that you can give. There are dictionaries that you're using. That's very important. Always upload your CV and make sure that if you have diplomas, make copy of it, zip them, and upload it here into the system. If you're going on a holiday or you're not available to receive any jobs, please let us know because it's important as we don't know it and sometimes we urgently need your help for an urgent project. So if you're not available, please put it in here and put the reason. If you are back from your holiday or you're available again, never forget to fill this in again that you are available. Otherwise, we cannot see and we cannot chat with you and offer you new jobs. Just make sure that you handle this correctly. Here you can see all the payments. You can save it as a PDF for your own records, and you can see here what the payment status is. We always pay in the first week of every month. We try to do it as quickly as possible, but sometimes the first of the month is on in a weekend, or sometimes we have bank holidays, but we always send out the payments in the first week of the month. If there is an urgent situation and there is a problem with some kind of project or we need to have your advice, we can always send you files. You can find the files here in this sheet. Make sure that you upload your CV. So sometimes we get very big jobs and then the clients want to have your CV to see your capacity and what your qualifications are. So make sure that you always upload your CV here. If there is some reason that you want to send a file to a project manager, which is not the file you have translated, please never do that. You can always use this sheet to send something to the project manager. There is a possibility to check test translations of translators that are not yet in our system. You can go to this part. On the message board, you can always read messages from other people using Tranwise. There is a message board for translations. As soon as you have a certain term which you cannot find and you want to have your help, the help of your colleagues, you can put it here and put it on the message board and you get replies from your colleagues. Here, this is more an extra item that the download or upload manager is showing you the status of the uploaded file. You can always use this one to see how far it is. We have created a special FTP site where we have put in as much as terminology and lists, dictionaries, which can be useful for your translation. You're free to use it. Make sure there are important things in a translation world. If you start working for us, please respect deadlines. Clients are very easily saying, we're not going to pay because you didn't deliver on time. Always make sure that you proofread your text, that you always check the instructions that we're sending you. Follow the instructions. If you're having problems or questions, you can always ask the project manager to help you out with a project. Sometimes you have problems with your computer. There is a special technical support for you. There is also a support manager for Trados. If you want to know Trados, just contact him and ask him for a Trados course. He is going to send you all the details for it. Thank you and good luck.